What's up, you guys? I'm out here with Samuel. What's up, dude?
What's up?
So what are we gonna be doing today?
Guys, we're gonna be coloring the letters.
Alright, you guys, we're about to start this. We got 2 paint markers. Shake them up. Kinda gotta press down on it. Alright, see how it came out there? Come on, get it closer. And you're going to want to put 2 coats over this, honestly, because if you don't, it'll look kind of choppy, but it's gonna look cool after we're done with it. Makes it look way more appealing. What do you think, Samuel?
I think it does look more cooler. Here we are.
Alright, you guys, check out that tire. That looks pretty slick now, I'm not gonna lie. It looks so good. It looks good from afar, but up close you can definitely tell it's markers. I just got done with these markers and I think they look pretty darn good, honestly. Car. A little bit of dirt earlier. Yeah. Hope you guys like it.